Um, Thank you for having me, me and my wife here.
Keile kaloi nu hilai muna nei hin lim zio vin ka ke pa e.
We are currently living in Norway, and yeah, we are very blessed being here with you guys and having the opportunity to be here.
Tu pera hi ke ni kaile Norway jeng ka hi lonin. Chilai nang ho masanga ka din theu hi wang pha ka ki sai. It's okay, Ben.
I'm very emotional, actually.
It's okay.
So I'm also gonna tell you how I, as a foreigner here today, not only today, since the day we came here, how I experienced being here.
Ke gampam mi ka hi tolhonin chilai mun ka hunga ko na chilai mun ka thil to le ka thil mu ho ka hin sei no mi na hi.
So also, yeah, like I said, I feel very blessed being here, and yeah, I also want to tell you guys a little bit about my testimony. It's also related how I experience being here.
Okay. Okay. Kasi mang bangin ke chilaya hong hi wang pha ka ki sain hi chitol honin ken jong ka testimony ka hin kho tu sim them khat hi chilai muna ka to ho to ki honin jong ka hin sei no me.
So in 2019, I got very ill, and for my feeling, I was very close to death.
Kum sang ni le som le ko chun nasata in kanana in ke ma gel dan chun thi na to nai cha khan kana umetin kar ki gele.
So at that night, when I was feeling at my worst, at my lowest point in life, it's okay, it's okay.
Hi chini jan khat chun ka hin khu anoi nung pen thi di mong di din munin kana chun.
But back then, in that fateful night, I started praying to God for the first time.
It's Jan Chun, akhat ve na dingin, Pathen hinga kataw ta na he.
Most of my time, I've been following a very different religion, and it never ever helped me with anything.
Hichi masang kahin komandan chui le, Pathen ho dan chi za chom in kana ki mang cha in, Hia Chun, Pathen ako ning ka ki gam hal he.
So, at that night when I started praying to God, to Jesus Christ, that was the night I saw him literally through my eyes coming out of the wall with crowns first.
Amen.
And like he was reaching out for me to my legs to touch my sick body.
Amen. 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 Hichi Jan Chun khat ve na Jesus Christa anga kataw Jan Chu hi in chi Jan Chun kami ta mu the to in banga kunin va ta khat lim mel cho hongin alua chun alua chun crown hi pi tai lalu khu aku in ka kenga hin tong khai na hi. Amen.
And yeah, from that moment, the moment I got touched by the Lord, it did something incredible to me, and being here felt exactly the same as that day that I was feeling that I was about to die.
Amen. Kapakai Jesuin chi jana ka kenga hin tham kha chun ka chunga hin til kedang ta feelings masanga ka tu kha lo feelings kana in ichi tabang feeling set chu tu hin chilaya ka dina hi le ichi feeling set chu ka feel in a hi amen amen amen
So, when I came here for the first day, I noticed that same energy, that same power, and also just by following gmfdi together with my wife online on YouTube, we saw also that Neck Robert was laying here.
Amen.
With the Holy Spirit within him.
Amen. Chilaya kahung masat ni ta azong chun. Tha nasata kadam lowa ai kitong kha tha ta chunei to kha chu ka feel thain. Nichi tol hon chun kaloi nu to gmfdi ya til chi ho hi online in kana vezi honin YouTube azong kana ve hom zil honin so pinek robot sungal hagau tim se ra chilaya akizam hojong su kamuji honin kana vezing honin ahi
So while we are here, we feel very blessed being here together. It's been about 15 years for my wife that she's been here, so it's also a very emotional journey for her to be here for multiple reasons, not just being here, but also other reasons, personal reasons.
Chitol hon chun kei le kaloi nu jeng zong tha khat achilaya khong kom thei honi wang pha ka kisale jeng honin kaloi nu zong chilai mun aum lo na hi kum som lenga lang a hi ta in tu chunga hong hi wang pha ka kisade sirove Amen.
It's also very beautiful that I'm married to my wife, of course, but I also know that she is part of the chosen nation, the cookie people here.
Amen. Praise the Lord. Praise the Lord. Praise the Lord. Kizong kazinu hitabang. Mel hoita zinu kanehi wang phaka kisale zengin chuteng le hi che tabang pathin nam de len te chanu zia kanei jong wang phaka kisai
So thank you very much for receiving me all here today. Kakipae.
Praise the Lord. Tuni kwa hichai muna nei lim muwa nei vai don zalon na chungwa kakipai ati
Oh yeah. And also I would like to thank gmfdi for giving me this beautiful Bible.
Chuteng le gmfdi chunga zong kipathu ka se hitabang Bible hoi ta ai pe zi uvin
In your language.
Nang ho pawin
I'm also gonna learn cookie.
Ken zong cookie pau ka zilding hi
So I can learn it from your holy language.
Amen. Jason, nang ho pau thinga Bible ka simting ka kigot ding he. Amen.
And I also would like to thank Mr. Hagen here, Dr. Hagen, for translating and interpreting for me, and also for the book you gave me.
Dr. Hagen din pawai le pe zen sunga kipain chutpang le ale khabusut ai give zen jong sunga kipathu ka se.
Also yesterday, me and my family, also sitting back there, we've been sitting downstairs at the counseling together, and it was also being an honor, being witness of everything that's happening here.
Tengle zan hi zengin zong kai hin sumite zong hanung langa zong atovin tengle ke le kan sumite zong zan hi dong sun counseling ka zawin anoi langa thil thong zo se hi kamit ta kamu experience ka bol hi wang pa ka kisale zengi
don't. And this is everything. Just thank you for having me here, people.
Icheng hi hitantin nei ke chilai nei din sa zalvin avel gi patu kasi. God bless you, Ben. God bless you, Ben. By the way, Ben's wife is Bam. B&B, okay? Ben and Bam. Thank you. On behalf of GMFDI and all the people here, Ben, we are honored to help you and may God bless you, the two of you. May you be a blessing to many. Kipai.